To fix the sorry there's a problem with your request error on Instagram. Follow these steps. First, check your internet connection to ensure it is stable and working properly. A weak or unstable connection can cause this error, so try restarting your router or switching to a different network. Next, update the Instagram app to the latest version. Outdated apps can cause compatibility issues, so go to the App Store, search for Instagram, and install any available updates. Also, check for any pending updates on your device and install them as well. Clearing the app's cache and data can also resolve the issue. Go to your device's settings, select the Apps or Application Manager option, and find Instagram. Select the Clear Cache and Clear Data options to remove any temporary files that may be causing the error. If the issue persists, try logging out of your Instagram account and then logging back in. This can help reset any temporary issues that may be causing the error. To do this, go to your Instagram profile, select the menu icon, and choose the Logout option. Then, log back in with your username and password. Another possible cause of the error is a server issue on Instagram's side. Check the Instagram status page or their official Twitter account to see if there are any reported issues or outages. If there is a server issue, wait for some time and try again later. Additionally, disable any VPN or proxy settings on your device, as these can interfere with your connection to Instagram's servers. Go to your device's settings, select the VPN or proxy option, and toggle it off. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram app. This will completely remove any corrupted files or settings that may be causing the error. Go to your device's settings, select the Apps or Application Manager option, and choose the Uninstall option. Then, go to the App Store, search for Instagram, and install it again. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the sorry there's a problem with your request error on Instagram and get back to using the app without any issues. Remember to always keep your app and device up to date, and to check for any server issues on Instagram's side to avoid this error in the future.